and thanks for tuning in to video number 8 here at California Lucky. I'm Erica, and I will be unboxing the Secret Not Secret Kit Club box. Let's take a look. So we usually reserve this topic for the 9th of every month, but given the timing of the season and just the theme of the kit, I figured it best to do it now. My goal as usual is to keep it around or under 5 minutes. So while I just show you really quickly what's included in the 2 kits that I purchased, I'm just going to brief over what the Secret Not Secret Kit Club is all about. This first kit I'm showing you is Crepe Paper Hey Pumpkin. Usually don't go for cutesy Halloween, but it just called to me. Okay, so let's get to the nitty-gritty. What does the kit club entail, and why should you order from it? Something that I did not really like about other traditional kit club boxes was that you were basically stuck with what they sent you. And granted, you could change the frequency of how often your deliveries were, but with Christina, it's all in your hands. So she keeps a file for you, and she knows how frequently you want your kits, how much you want to pay for your kits, and what you do like and what you don't like. So as she gets to know you, for example, she knows I don't like rub-ons, so she never sends me rub-ons. So she'll send me a little bit of the collection if I want a collection. She'll send me the whole collection if I want the entire collection, at a discount, of course. And she will take vague hints if you don't know exactly what it is you're looking for brand-wise. If you send her a request for something purple and involving fairies and iridescence and shimmers and some multimedia, then she will hand curate that kit for you, specifically for you, and it is amazing. And on top of that, she will include something that might not particularly belong to the collection, but definitely complements it. Like this super shiny, glittery beautiful silver paper that will complement many of my layouts. And while I open this baggie, it can be a cut file, it can be sequins, it can be, like I mentioned, multimedia, it can be lots of different things, but it's really fun to get sort of like a little added surprise in each kit. Like for example, these are phrase stickers, which will go great in my Wicked Weeks of October album, which is kind of my take on October daily, or October occasionally, I think is what Paige Evans calls it. But as you can see, there are also these little toe tags included, and that is just super cute. I haven't seen those online yet. Alright, so on to kit number 2. This is Simple Stories Happy Haunting. Surprisingly, another cutesy Halloween collection, but the papers, as you'll see, kind of appeal to my high school, punk rock, Avril Lavigne phase. So, especially these little stars. So, fun fact, in high school, I was a trucker hat, band t-shirt, Dickies wearing, skateboarding, punk rock chick. And I most certainly, although I'm sure she's great, did not listen to Avril Lavigne, although I did enjoy a lot of punk rock music. So as you can see, as I'm breezing through the kits, there's a lot included, and I especially loved both of these kits for the cut-aparts. So in case you're wondering what it is exactly I asked for, I just asked for 2 kits, the Hey Pumpkin kit and the Happy Haunting. And all I indicated apart from that was that I wanted to keep it in the $30 range. And that's it. She takes off and she hand curates the kits, which obviously are the collection, and she'll also throw in, 1 or 2 little surprises. And I believe these last 2 pages, yes, they do have cut-aparts, which are my favorite, apart from, I think, chipboard stickers. Those are my favorite. If you guys have a favorite, let me know below. I'm really curious to know. Yep, we have 1 more, which will go perfectly in my album. And then I think we're coming up to the last few paper. Oh, there's a lot of paper that she puts in these kits. And the stickers, which by the way, I'm using a 4x4 memory album this year for my Wicked Weeks. We have the, okay, here we go, ephemera. Did I say it right? Finally? I would be so excited. And, oh yeah, she included the Nuvo Dream Drops, which I did have some Nuvo drops, but this is a really pretty purple iridescent shimmery color, which will complement the Happy Haunting perfectly. And you guys, look, just super cute, right? These are doilies in the shape of spider webs, and they came with little bitty spiders that you can put on the webs. I just love it so much. And then the second baggie of surprises had wood veneers. You have little ghosts and cats and witches hats and little boos and spider webs, and it just completely rounds out the kit. And that's it. Hopefully I gave you a better idea of what to expect. I'll link the info below, and hopefully you'll consider ordering one in the future. Bye!